Mechanics will charge you a good amount of dollars to replace the side mirror for this car, but after watching this video, you can do the replacement yourself. We will be replacing the side mirror without taking out the complete door panel. First, we'll take out this cover right there. I'll pull out from top first. Then using a clip remover tool like this, we'll take out the other portion of cover. There it is, the cover is taken out. Behind the cover, notice there is one nut right there, and then the second nut is at the bottom right there. What we'll do is we'll take out both of these nuts. I'll be using an impact gun with a 10mm socket, but you can also use a ratchet wrench, an extension, and 10mm socket to take out both of these nuts. First nut is taken out. Just make sure you do not drop the nuts while taking them out. Once both the nuts are out, now what we'll do is we'll take out this cover, grab the cover and then pull it outwards. There you see a clip right there. This clip was actually attached right there and you have to pull it out. In my case, it was already pulled out for some reason. Behind this cover, notice there's one more nut that we have to take out. I will pull out the rubber cover from the bottom as well. And you see it's attached with two clips. One clip right here and the other clip right there. Now we have enough room to take out the final nut from here. There it is, the final nut is also out. Once all three nuts are taken out, now what we'll do is we'll pull out the door panel from right here. Just grab the door panel and pull it outwards. There it is, door panel is pulled out from the top. Also need to pull it out from this middle section. Just grab it from here and then pull it out. Just like that, this much is fine. We are actually pulling out to a point until we have enough access to pull out that plug right there. Now before taking out that plug, first we'll take out a bracket which is right here. Punch in the tool underneath the bracket and then pull it outwards. There it is, just like that, this is taken out. After this, we will take out this plug right there. And before taking out this plug, make sure you are holding on to the side mirror from the other end so that it does not fall. Then we come back to the plug, and while holding the door panel like this, notice there's actually a tab right there. Press and hold that tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. There's the plug out. I did it with my two fingers. With one finger you can hold the harness, and with the second finger you can press and hold that tab and then pull out the plug. Just to show you guys the tab of the plug one more time, it is this tab right here. Press and hold this tab and then pull the plug out. Once the plug is taken out, we'll just pull out the harness outside the door panel, and then from the other side we'll slightly wiggle the side mirror until it completely comes out. There it is, the harness is stuck, so we'll just pull it out. Just like that, we take out the side mirror. My side mirror is good, so I'll be installing it back, but if you have a new side mirror and you want to install it back, it's going to be the reverse of takeout steps. We will slide in the harness first. Just like that, once it goes completely in. Now the side mirror also has this white color clip, and this clip has to go inside this hole right there. We'll carefully punch in the side mirror, keeping in mind that position. And there it goes completely in that position. Now to be on the safe side, we will go ahead and install this nut so that the side mirror does not fall. This nut will hold on to the side mirror and we will be able to do other stuff from the other end. The nut is in position. Now we can leave the side mirror. Coming back to this side, we'll have to punch in the plug where we took it out from. Just make sure the tab side of the plug is facing towards yourself. We will position the plug and then slide it down until we hear a clicking sound. There's the plug completely in, also not coming out. Now we install this bracket. Bracket is in, also not coming out. After this, what we will do is, we will press down the door panel from both sides. There it is, the door panel is also completely in from both positions. Now we'll go ahead and punch in both nuts from this point. I always tighten both of the nuts manually first and make sure they go all the way till the very end. Once both nuts are all the way till the very end, this time I will use a socket wrench, an extension and 10mm socket to tighten all those three nuts one by one. We will avoid using the gun to tighten the nuts because sometimes tightening with the gun can end up breaking the tabs of the side mirror, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. We got the first two nuts tight. Now we'll go on the other end to tighten the final one. Third nut is also tight. Now notice there are two clips on the rubber cover. One clip right here and the other clip right there. These two clips have to go into one position right here, which is underneath the nut, and the other position right there at the top. So we'll go ahead and punch in the clips, keeping in mind those two positions. There it is, cover is completely in. Also press it down from the top side because that portion also needs to go completely in. After this, we will install this plastic cover. Notice behind the cover there are two clips. Sometimes these two clips come out. You have to make sure that this clip, which is shaped like this, has to be slided in that spot right there. Once it goes completely in, make sure that these two clips are supposed to go into these two holes right there. We'll go ahead and carefully install the plastic cover, keeping in mind those two clips. There's the plastic cover completely in position. With that, we are done with the replacement of side mirror completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.